How do? Part 16 now, innit? Tuesday, whatever it is of March. Decided this morning I'm going to clad all the bathroom. Apart from roof. I'm just going to wallpaper that. Anyway, so I've just thrown the boards on, you know what I mean? Because if I'm cladding it, it don't really matter. So here it is. Oops, there's that. Yeah. Done. Yeah, I'm gonna clad from where that silver stuff is all the way down. That's just holding some boards on, that's all. Dump bog, well, bog door. I took that off from outside and I sealed it at the same time, so that's another job out at where that vent were. That's now gone. These two vents here, I'm not sure what to do, whether to block them off or what. Like I say, I don't know. This cupboard hatchway, whatever it is underneath, where to put the heater or the batteries. If I put the heater, then I'll just put some vents on, so the diesel heater's got some good ventilation. Right, yeah, it's just a case of tidying up now, again. Sandra's coming in tomorrow, taking all this crap off. Yeah, cool. Anybody want some insulation? Yeah, so, yeah, I'm going to go tomorrow and get some tiger seal, and in between all these gaps, you know, all I can do, just fill them all in, and then get everything ready for a day of decorating. And then once that's done, it'll be hunky-dory, you know. Yeah, Dave, you're on about wiring before cupboards. I think I'm going to be able to get the wiring in myself, to be honest with you. It's the actual connecting. Right, so oh, while we're on, water heater. Does anybody have any idea what I need to well, it's there in it, the bad boy, to service it? Or does it have to be taken in somewhere? Yeah, you know, what seals and that, because I know there was a leak, but I'm not sure if it were coming from that pipe. The thing that I broke on heater, yeah, well, anyway, I got one, didn't I? So I'm just wondering if it were cracked. There were an airline crack in it, and that's why it broke, snapped off. So it could have been coming from there. Oh, my back's killing. Oh, right, that's it. So yeah, hopefully next couple of days I will be decorating, and then I reckon 2-3 weeks building furniture, so I might be ready for April. Started decorating. Don't look too bad. Right, you can see that line there, but that's the reason I did a board at top. That there's under bed, don't worry about it. And there's also a bloody big long bubble. Can you see it? Whoa. It's coming on now. Right. Managed to get some more decorating done. I've gone up to here because bathroom wall will be there. That's cladding. That's why I haven't bothered about filling in these joints and everything. It's a waste of time. I've decided that I'm going to do the back as well. I'm going to clad all around window and everything, and possibly roof. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so it's looking pretty good. That side's done. You think I've got rubber in? I haven't. I don't know if you can see that. When I were making the corner shapes, I think I made them too small. So when all rubber's tight up, there's a huge gap of about an inch at the joint. So unless it'll stretch a bit, you know, if I staple it here and then pull it a little bit each time I put a staple in, it might work. In fact, I'll try that anyway, because either way, you know. But this is the old one anyway, you know. These all wet old staples were, but not to worry about. I've only put this in temporary. It's just, I just wanted to see what it looked like against wallpaper. Just gives you a bit of enthusiasm. Meet me mucker. Say hello. Say hello, Ollie. Yeah, he's in a right crab mood. I've just had grinder going. He weren't happy about it. Yeah, so yeah, seems like we're getting somewhere now. All I've got to do is decorate from there, just below vent, and that's it. The decorating's done. Sandra's been in today, no, yesterday, sorry. Took that off there because, like I say, I can't remove it, so took that off. I'll just put a board over the top. We've got everything here. Well, toilet was supposed to come today. Batteries. Ordered two 110 amp batteries from, I forgot who it were, on eBay. It's supposed to be a Tuesday. It's now Friday. Still not here. Been in touch with him, ignoring me. So if I don't get them tomorrow, I'm going to slander them all over YouTube. No, I can't do that, can I? I'll get done. Right, people, yeah. So I'm going to upload this tonight to show you. Yeehaw, we're getting somewhere.